Hello? Hello? Can anyone hear me? Can you make a knock or a bang sound? Can anyone hear me? Hello? Hello? Was you moving something a minute ago? Can you do it again if you did? Can you knock or tap? Hello? I definitely heard what sounded like footsteps and almost like furniture being dragged. It kind of creeped me out, to be honest. If you move this rocking chair, if you actually did move it, can you move it again? Can you move the rocking chair again if you did? Go on. Or can you knock or tap? Alright, well I'm gonna have a drink for a minute. I'm gonna have a coffee, because that's what I did. I started having a drink a minute ago, and then that's when I started hearing weird noises from what sounded like it was in the attic. And it was creeping me out. It's gone quiet now though. Just going to give it a minute, because the group at the moment are in the room upstairs, and I'm just having a quick break, so I've not had one yet. And I just want to leave this running in case I start hearing those noises again. Hold on, I just heard something in here. Okay. A tapping noise. It's not me. I'm holding the camera and I got my hands what? What's that then? I just saw something that was like here. Like a weird light. Hello? Can you make a noise, please? Saw a weird light that went like that then. Can you say something? I'm actually tingling. I don't know if it's just the camera. I think it must be the camera actually, because I thought I saw a light down where the stairs go down, but mate, I'm getting some weird noises here while I'm having a cup of coffee. Some really strange noises in the attic.
We're in the main room and Neil just tripped over again.
Of all the people.
That's been that bang that we heard then.
I'm hearing furniture being dragged and moved around up in the attic. It's gone quiet for a minute, but I was hearing it and it was really loud.
Not us.
Well, it was creeping me out. I'll tell you what, the attic here at the moment is really creeping me out. I'll be up in a minute anyway.
So you know, we heard very similar.
I'm just gonna sit here. I want to chew on a biscuit for a minute and wait. I can guarantee you The minute I stop recording, something will happen. Guarantee it. You know what's really annoying? I was hearing all those sounds and I didn't get my phone out and record it. Isn't that typical? Bloody hell. If there is somebody here that's trying to come through to me and let me know, can you maybe make a sound or do something? Can you maybe try and shut this door? That was weird. I just saw something come down there. Can you try and shut this door for me? I'm tingling. I'm really, really cold at the minute. Really tingling. Can you shut that door? If you could do that, that'd be brilliant. Because I'm sitting here, chewing on a biscuit. Just there, look. Digestives. Not supposed to be eating any, I'm supposed to be on a diet, but I'm feeling very hungry at the minute. Go on, shut that door. That'd be amazing. Or can you drag that rocking chair across the floor again? Now, if I was a proper investigator, I'd go up into the attic where I was hearing those noises. But I have to be honest, I'm in the building on my own. Everybody else is somewhere else. And I'm a little bit nervous. But I might muster the courage in a minute. Possibly. Oh, I'm so sorry. I definitely heard something then. Right. I'm going to muster the courage and pop my head in that attic. But I have got my walkie-talkie just in case anything happens and I freak out. The only problem is I'm the only one with the keys to get in here and I've locked the door. Hello? Is there anybody who can hear me? Were you dragging stuff around? Eh? Were you making any kind of noise? Or anything? Shit. Somebody moving around. I'm hearing some weird stuff. I can hear it. Can you make a knock or a bang? Can you make a knock or a bang? Oh, what kind of a investigator am I? everyone at least come in and check it out. I don't like up here. I feel very uncomfortable looking this at it. I've decided in the nature of being a chicken, I'm going back downstairs. Frankly, it's creeping me out, and I keep getting really weirded out in there as well. Like I'm waiting for something to happen. Whoa, 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 what the? If you made some kind of strange light or something, I don't know what the hell that was. Can you do it again? Can you do it again? I am really tingling, there's definitely something around. Can you do it again, please? Or can you try to move the chair or make a noise? Or not? Well, I better head back upstairs in a minute. They're in the main room of the museum. Kind of like Neil's just falling over something, which is great. And I was just having a cuppa. See, look, can you see that? I'm just having a nice cuppa. We'll have a bit of a break. What the? I think that was a kettle. Don't panic, Brinley. I think that was just a kettle. Bit weird, but anyway. I think I'm gonna head back downstairs in a minute. Go and join Neil and the others. Okay. Alright, just to let you guys know, I'm heading back up to you now. Now, normally, when you do an investigation, I guarantee you, when you walk out, something happens. So, I'm going to leave the camera running for a minute. I'm going to knock this light off. And we're going to head downstairs. Now, if there is anybody in spirit who can hear me, I don't know whether you could pick that up, but I definitely heard movement. There is no one else here. Let's head out. I'm feeling a bit creeped out at the minute. Okay. Right, I'm gonna head back out. Found the whole experience a little bit stressful, but I think it's probably time for me to head back upstairs. And I'm going to run for it. I'm just going to ask one more question and then I'm going to switch this video off. If anyone can hear my voice, can you make a sound, please? Okay. Right, that's it. I'm going. Enough.